Hi, this is lesson number 16. More and more things in your house. We have a floor, F hands, floor, ground, floor. We have a carpet, my floor with carpet on it, carpet. We have wall, window, and live is a live and live, live and live, 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 live. Okay, the next is paint, paint, like that, and a counter, 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 good, sink, S to K, sink, cupboard, music, and fan, and piano, fire, grow, and plants, grow, plants. Okay, good. Let's do a sentence. Okay, ready? Okay, what did I say? Tell me, please, and see you in the next and last video for this class. Wow! No, not the last, the last lesson. Lesson number 17, then the review. We have for 17, uh, describing your describing things. Just that. Describing things. Okay, see you there. Bye-bye.